All right, everybody. So if you have an HP laptop notebook, I'm going to show you how to install expandable RAM. So I ordered this. This is an additional 4 gig of RAM. So hopefully this will help the laptop run better because it runs really, really slow. So first thing you do, shut it off, flip it over. Should be a little access panel. All you do is very gently undo those 2 screws. And it should pop up like this. And that's it. Then located inside, so this is the 4 gig RAM chip that it has, and there's a slot for another one. So technically, you could make this 16 gigs of RAM. You could take out this 4 and put a 2 8s for a 16. But I just got this one because it was cheap. And it's always good, as long as you have your computer open, just to spray it out a little bit. Get all the dust out. So this pops right out. Hopefully I do this right. Oh, maybe it goes like this. I don't know. Okay, hopefully I did that right. See, it has these little groove right here that's to line up. So I actually had to put the label down. Hopefully that's right. Then it also has these 2 clips on the side, right here and right here, that just snap into place. Then I accidentally disconnected this wire right here, but I think I got it back on. So hopefully this works. If not, I wrecked my laptop and I'm just gonna buy a new one, because this thing is old and we'll see. So now just put the cover back on. Alright, let's flip it over and power it up and see if it works. So then you right click on the start menu, go to System. Your PC ran into a problem and needs a restart. We're just collecting some error info. Oh, great. First time I didn't push the chip in all the way, it wasn't seated. So now it's seated and this is what it says. So it's updating. So technically I think I did it right. Yeah, because the first time I just snapped it down in there, but you have to slide it in so the teeth make contact with each other. All right, there we go, it worked. RAM, 8 gigs, 7.47 gigs available. I can't believe I didn't break my laptop. I mean, I bought this laptop probably 5 years ago. I think it was like 250 bucks at Walmart. It's nothing special. So doubling the RAM up to 8 gigs, I think should really help when I'm trying to render videos and editing stuff. That's a primary function of this laptop. If you have any questions, go ahead, shoot me a comment. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget we're going to have the 100 subscriber giveaway coming up here fairly soon as I get that video out and that finished. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. See ya!